Welcome to my channel. So many of you requested me to show how to draw an outline of portrait with easy method. So there are two ways to draw an outline of portrait. One is grid method and the another one is freehand method. I'll show you that. This one I draw with freehand only. I usually draw God's portrait with freehand only. And there is another method called grid method, like this. I'll explain this about grid method in next video. I usually go for grid only, but today I'm going to show you a very easy method, the third method, a very easy method. I hope this method is going to be very useful for beginners. For this, you need to take a printout of a portrait which you are going to draw. Here I am taken Rashmika Mandana's portrait. I took black and white because I will shade this portrait with graphite pencils. The first step is take a dark shade pencil. Here I am taking 12B pencil of Artline company. You can choose which brand you want, but use darker shade only. Then shade the back side of the paper like this. Shade completely. The next step is trace the outline of portrait using a sharp pencil, no matter about the shade, but the pencil should be very sharp. Don't shake the paper while tracing. That's it. Now you can see a perfect outline of a portrait. Very easy, right? If you want to know how to shade with the graphite pencils or color pencils, please click on this iCard and please don't forget to hit a like button. Thanks for watching.